Hi guys, and if you're new here, I'm Stephanie. For the others, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be no foundation makeup looks. So it's what I have right now. I know it looks a little bit like intense for a no foundation makeup look because I have falsion and red lipstick, but you can put a nude lipstick or a gloss or nothing on your lips and no put falsion, just mascara, and it's gonna be so beautiful. So before to jump into this simple tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, to put the thumbs up if you like this type of video, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media, so Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. And without further ado, let's jump into this. So first, when you do this type of no foundation makeup look, you have to have a super clean skin, because if your skin looks sweaty or anything else, it's gonna not look so good. But when you do a makeup, you always go clean your face first, because that way your makeup's gonna apply better, and yeah, it's gonna look great if your skin is clean. And after that, I apply a moisturizer, because first, my skin is hella dry right now, and two, because your skin's gonna look a little bit more glowy, more I don't know, more, again, better. It's gonna look fantastic. So my moisturizer for the day is the CeraVe moisturizing lotion for normal to dry skin. So I love this one. It's always on my desk, so before to apply my makeup, I love to apply a little bit of this moisturizer on me and on my clients too. So this is right there. Because my makeup is super simple, I'm not gonna do my eyes first, but I'm gonna do my brows first. So I'm gonna quickly do my brows. I'm gonna speed this thing, and if you want a brows tutorial, just leave me that down below and I will do that for you. So, like 10 years later, my brows are done. They are not perfect, but it's okay, because if I was doing a super glam look, I will put a little bit more time in it to be like the most perfect that I can do. But it's gonna be that, because we are short in time and everything, so it's gonna be that. So now I'm gonna apply a primer. Even if I'm not gonna put foundation, I'm gonna apply a pore filling primer, because my pores are a little bit on the bigger size. And yeah, so I'm gonna put my SmashBox pore minimizing primer, and I'm gonna put this almost all around my face. And also I'm gonna apply a little bit of this Becca backlight priming filter, and this, you can have this, you can have a max strobe cream or any what I'm gonna say I just liquid eyeliner, yeah. And this, I just apply this on the eye points of my face. So, and I can rub this on my skin because I don't have anything else on my skin, so I'm not super stressed about moving my foundation or something like this. And this gives me a glow on my skin, like you can see. I love this stuff. I apply this all around my face when I'm gonna put foundation, and it's give like a super glowy skin, so I love this. So now, because I have pretty dark circle that I don't love, you can skip that if you don't have big dark circle like me. I'm just gonna apply this Becca Under Eyes Brightening Corrector. So now I'm gonna apply concealer. So because I don't have any foundation on and everything, I prefer my concealer to look a little bit like my skin tone, not like to be super light like I do usual. So this is my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. So, and I just apply a little bit. And a little bit on my chin, right here, a little bit on my forehead, and a little bit on Johnny. And a tiny bit of this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 05. Just like this. I love using a brush when I don't have any foundation on because it doesn't move the foundation under. But if you have super dry skin, just use a sponge. So, my foundation concealer is complete. So I changed my brush. I prefer this one. This is a Real Technique sculpting brush. And I love this one because you can put this in between your brows and not mess everything. And under your eyes too, it's a very good shape. And the bristle, it's dense, but I love this brush. So now I'm gonna set my under eyes because I crease a lot. If you are not creasing, God bless you, but me, I crease, so I just lightly set my under eyes and a little bit on my nose and on my forehead here. And this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. So now for my eyes, I love to use my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. So I only use like 2 or 3 shades in this palette when I do my quick makeup because I don't want to put like an hour on my eyes. So I use a lot of this one, Silken Cream, and this one is Pore. So this is the 2 shades that I use, and a little bit of one of these 2 under my brows and on the inner corner highlights. And I just use 1 or 2 brush when I do this look. So this is a Morphe M441, so it's a very fluffy brush. So first I'm gonna go with Silken Cream and just put this like over my crease, in my crease, and it's super messy, and this is what I love with this look. It's not like a precise look. I'm just quickly put this on my lids. Now I'm gonna go with a MAC 217 and go in the shade Pore, so it's a little bit more dark brown. And I put this all around my lids and blend this with the other shade. And I just take the first brush and I don't put any product on it. It's just to be sure that everything is blended. Now I just take a smaller brush, so this is a Makeup Forever 208, and I'm gonna take Beam, put that right here. I'm gonna do my under eyes, so I'm just gonna take this ColourPop Mr. Bing liner and put this on my waterline, and I'm gonna take this MAC brush and just bring that on my lower lash. And again, I'm not precise at all. So now I'm gonna put mascara and I'm gonna put falsie on, but that's just me because I love to have falsies because my lashes are so tiny. So I'm gonna put this and I'm gonna just speed through that because it's super simple. And my falsie, when I do this type of look, I put like super simple falsie. So that way it's more easy to put on, and yeah. So I'll be right back. So this is the Kiss 11 lashes. So they are super natural and They are not super over the top and super easy to apply too. So I apply also some mascara in my bottom lashes, but not too much because I have pretty long bottom lashes, not upper lashes, but yeah, that sucks. So I don't apply a lot because if I'm sweat, it's gonna be all around my face and I don't want that, so I just apply a tiny bit of a mascara. And also I do a little liner because these lashes are super easy to apply, but the band is super easy to see if you don't apply a little bit of liner, so it's for that reason that I apply a little bit of liner. So for bronzer, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Shade Abyss bronzer and just quickly bronze my face. Now I'm gonna take my Milani Luminoso. Oh, yeah. All my brush sheet. So my, like I said, my Milani Luminoso. So I'm just gonna take my MAC Fix Plus and I feel so bougie when I using my little fan. And now for my highlight, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild I'm Sold It highlight. So this is a loose highlight. And like I said, this highlight is, it's something. You don't need a lot, so you have to tap the excess because this stuff is powerful. And just because I'm extra, I'm gonna put a little bit of this Fenty How Many Carats Diamond Bomb highlight. I don't know if it's How Many Carats or Diamond Bomb. Just on the eye points of my face, just a tiny bit. Yeah, I love to look like I'm sweating when I do this look because it's super natural. I'm almost done. So now for my lips. You can do only glossy lips if you are very on the go. So if I'm super cut with time, I'm just gonna go with the gloss or nothing on my lips, or I don't know, like this gloss right here. This is look so good on your lips, but right now, because I want to do some OTD photo shoot, I'm gonna go with a red, because red for me it's my, if I want to put some color on my lips, red is my go-to. If you know me, if you're gonna see my Instagram page, I almost always have red lipstick. And my last favorite red lipstick is this Jouer Fraise Bonbon lipstick. It's so beautiful. So first I'm gonna line my lips because when I use red, you have to be precise with your work. So now I'm gonna apply my Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. And just fan everything. So that's it, guys, for this super simple no foundation makeup look. I hope you like this video and I hope you like this super simple look. Just great for mommy and for the hot time outside. So I don't have anything else to say besides I love you guys and I will see you soon. Bye.